Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chef V. I'm your host, Chef V, and
Alina.
And we're getting ready to cook up something real great in the kitchen. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the what you click?
The subscribe button.
The subscribe button down below. Let's go! These are the ingredients you're gonna need. You can use your own, but this is our ingredients. Okay. All right, Alina, so we're getting ready to get the cooking. What you gonna put in first?
Marshmallows.
Just gonna put in marshmallows first. So let's put the marshmallows in. Need help with that?
No.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
Tell
me when to stop.
Ace, how many you want? Okay, that's good enough. Okay, what you gonna put in next?
Let's put in some.
Turn it.
Let's put in some peats.
Okay.
I think I'll go with watermelon.
How do you think this is gonna taste?
My guess is because I don't like peats. I'm not sure.
Let me taste one. That might be good. Oh God, that is so good. I thought you didn't like it. Come on. Ooh,
I think I'll put in all of them. And then next, let's go with the original pink.
I think this would be a great recipe for you.
Even if I make a mess in the kitchen, you're going to tell me to clean it up after. So, yeah. And then we're going to go in with some yellow.
Oh, this looks good. I can't wait to try. Ain't you eating? What you got to take a bite on each one? Yeah. I'll put some white chocolate in there. Oh, this thing is going to be yum. Can't wait to see how this comes out. Oh. Go ahead and put your white chocolate in there. Oh, that's enough of chocolate. There's a lot of chocolate. Isn't this looking good already, you guys? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Cooking with Chef V.
And Alina. You can never forget the kid. Anyway, so...
You got to put some more stuff in here.
Jelly beans?
Oh, yeah, jelly beans for sure. Oh, yeah, jelly beans.
I don't really like jelly beans.
You don't like jelly beans? I don't know why. Jelly beans, man. You never had jelly beans. You don't know what
they are alright, but I just don't eat them that
much. Okay, well, it's definitely giving us Easter vibes.
I mean, we put half of Easter ingredients in there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you guys don't have to worry about spending over $100 on the Easter basket. Just do this with your child, and I'm sure they enjoy it.
I put half of the bag in there.
Oh, you got to put the Jell-O in there, the Jell-O cheesecake.
Ooh, Jell-O cheesecake?
Oh, yeah, that should be good.
Oh. We making this into a Jell-O?
It's something reasonable in price. You know, in case I'm never home and you need to eat something.
I won't eat this because you're going to say it's unhealthy.
No, this is really good for you.
You're going to say it's really good for you. This might be like 100 or 1,000 calories that we're eating right now.
Okay, you got to get your milk.
Milk? Oh, yeah.
It's right here. It's right here.
It's where?
It's right there in your jug. Right there, yeah.
Oh, why you take my water?
No, you got to open it up, dude. Just pour that all in there. Oh, man, that's looking good already.
I'm feeling scared about this. Even when I'm doing with you, it feels like it's something I'll do alone at home.
Oh, yeah, you got to rub that in.
Rub it in?
I mean, not rub that in. You got to get something.
Spatula?
Yeah. Man, that's looking good.
I feel like this is burning for some. Yeah, this is burning. Yo, I don't like when the peeps are. I don't think this is good.
Yeah. Now that's some good looking soup.
I said
there.
I don't think this is good. You gonna say it's good?
That's some good looking soup there.
Soup. This supposed to be soup.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah.
So when I'm never home and you feel like
I'm
eating
not making
something,
this. I'm not.
huh?
I'm not making this.
Well, why would I show you the recipe if you don't want to make it? This is good cooking here.
If I burn it, yeah, I'm gonna be the one cleaning it up.
Listen, look at that. You can't beat that dish there.
I can beat it with some eggs and some toast.
And you would eat this with eggs or toast?
Nope. So I'll be eating eggs and toast without this.
Man, that looks delicious.
I can't do this, Mom. I really can't.
Oh yeah, you can, Lena.
Oh no, I can't.
Look at this. That's
Look, half of the peeps ain't burned. They don't want to go down without a fight with me.
that. I'm telling you guys gotta try this recipe.
Please don't.
Hey, what are you talking about, though? You're cooking it. This is something for you to eat in case I'm not home in time for dinner.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna just order me some DoorDash, some pizza.
So I'm sitting here teaching you how to cook, and you don't even.
Fine, I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
Gee, ungrateful, man.
I ain't ungrateful. It's just this. Feels like I'm burning stuff just for no reason.
No, it seems like you're whipping up some good dinner here.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Kinda. Look at the size. It's burning.
Man, that looks delicious.
I feel scared. And Jolly Beans.
You feel scared?
Yeah.
I thought this
don't feel right.
It doesn't feel right.
No.
I thought this was something you would enjoy.
I do enjoy it. Burning things.
No, it's not burnt.
It was.
This is how you melt marshmallows.
My little peeps that was
Here, hold it down so we can see it. Keep putting your.
I think this
Keep
is
putting.
good. This is good enough.
Man, that looks delicious. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. How does it taste?
I haven't tasted it yet.
Is it something you can try when I'm not home? You can cook it. Good. Told you. 10. What would you rate it on a scale of 1 through 10?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
9 out of 10. Make sure you try this recipe. You really like it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to subscribe. We're cooking with Chef V. Deuces.